Hi! In this video, we will continue the new chapter about the magnetic fields. For many years, electricity and magnetism were thought to be separate phenomena. Then an experiment showed the connection between them. In this experiment, the physicist Ørsted investigated the connection between electricity and magnetism by using currents in wires. We agreed that the compass shows the direction of the magnetic field. Now let's turn on the current and observe the compass. So what do you think this indicates? The movement of the needle of the compass indicates the presence of the magnetic field. So which of these diagrams shows the magnetic field when we turned on the current flowing through the screen? It is obvious that the pattern of the magnetic field is circular and not radial. So the first and the third option cannot be correct. So just observe the needle and decide what diagram shows the direction of the magnetic field. Yes, the second diagram best describes the movement of the needle. In words, how would you describe the magnetic field pattern? We've already agreed that the field lines are circular, so the first two options are excluded. So observe the pattern. Are the field lines pointing clockwise around the wire or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise, and that is correct. What do you think will happen if the current flows in the opposite direction? The pattern will stay the same, circular, but the direction will change. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? Yes, it is clockwise.